Hey guys, I'm Jason with Colton RV of Orchard Park. Today we'll be looking at the Grand Design Reflection 100 Series 27BH. Follow me. First off, we've got a molded front cap, which means we are not getting any leaks. We've got a sealed pin box. We will have no bees stinging us at this campsite. We've got our solar controller in there. Nice sealed up battery. And we are vented should we go the route of generator down the road. Coming around here, we'll have our propane tanks. All of this will be the insulated doors as well. Right under here, we've got our basement. All of our flats will have magnets on them as well. We've got an excellent convenience center here for all of our water hookups, including our outdoor shower. And they feed conveniently right up through the bottom, so no one's messing with our stuff. Right over to the left here, we've got auto leveling, and we do have a tire pressure monitoring hookup as well. Tankless hot water. We've got our furnace on the back, so we're not losing any camping space. Fully laminated slide walls. We've got our radius windows with the weep holes, no water inside. And just to show you, this side's laminated too. We've got our tank empty spot right down here. Lever's nice and away, so we're not getting any gunk on our hands. We've got our 50 amp Shoreline Connect right here. Bit of extra garage space back here. We even got an outlet and a light in here. We've got nice hitch, whether we're bringing bikes, kayaks, whatever have you. We've got a solid attached ladder so we can get up there and check out our roof every season. We've got our powered awning with lights, nice bunk room windows for the kids. We have electric stabilizer jacks, a nice spot for our stinky slinky up here. We've got an LP hookup right back there in case we're bringing any grills. And of course our outdoor TV spot. We got 2 axles. We've got the tire pressure monitoring system on these guys as well. Goodyear tires. Extra large grab handle, extra sturdy steps, and we do have the Arctic insulation, which gets us an earlier and a later camping season. Now why don't we go ahead on inside. Now we're inside of the 27BH Grand Design. I'll show you guys some stuff. Right inside this guy here, we've got our entertainment center. This will link not only to our indoor speakers, but our outdoor as well. Of course, our TV. Plenty of counter space with additional storage. A little treat in there for you. Moving on over to our cooktop. We've got a glass top for some counter space. This will also fold up into a backsplash for us, so we're not messing up our beautiful wall here. We've got our full oven. We've got our microwave. And we've got a vent, so we're not smelling bacon all day. Moving on over here to our beautiful farm sink. Not only do we have room for dishes, we have room to do them. This will help us get some of those angles on those pots and pans for us as well. Right above that, even more storage. Deep. Got our liquor up top, food on the bottom, out of the reach of the kids. Even more space down below. And we've got a nice extendable countertop here as well, just in case we didn't have enough everywhere else. Moving on back here, we've got our bunks. Plenty of room up here. Kids will have their own wardrobe with a hanger rack, even a couple of drawers for us as well. Nice little carpeted area for our pup as well. Nice little heat there, and it is TV prepped. We've got our fridge right here, 12 volt, even more goodies in there. Absolutely huge sleeping space in the form of our U-shaped dinette. I want to say this guy sleeps 10 altogether, not the dinette, the whole unit. And then right here, for when we have the guests that might not be kids, we've got a full fold out here. That guy flips right down for us. And we go right back up here. Nice, comfy, no one's sleeping on any bars. Putting it away is just as easy as it was setting it up. Follow me up this way. We've got our Compass Connect. Not only can we operate our lights, our slides, get tank gauges, we've also got an app that'll do the same thing for us right from our phone. Moving on into the bathroom, we have a porcelain toilet. We've got a great glass on our shower. Huge medicine cabinet, even bigger mirror. And we can control our fan from in here as well. Moving on to the main bedroom, we've got a queen size bed in here with a nice step up. Don't have to shuffle around. Plenty of storage underneath. That'll hold our mattress up for us as well. And we have even more storage in here. His and her cubbies with a nice shared shelf up top. Another TV backer location. We have 2 ACs in this guy, fully ducted. And we'll have a massive wardrobe behind us as well. Thanks for taking this tour of the Grand Design Reflection 100 Series 27BH. My name's Jason. If you like this unit or other ones similar, give me a call, 716-574-9185. Thanks.